Hey, shut up! Hey everyone, it's Keegan here with RCM Motorsports with our first episode of Fix It Friday. And we got this 2021 Z950 and we're going to replace the rear calipers on this.
Would you like me to show you how to do that?
To replace this rear caliper, you're going to need a 15mm wrench to undo these two caliper mount bolts. You're going to need a 10mm wrench to undo this park brake cable, and that same 12mm wrench to undo the banjo bolt here. These are your 15mm bolts. These are your 12mm nuts for your park brake cable. Your last one, your 12mm banjo bolt for the brake hose. Well, we just replaced the calipers back here, so now we're going to go ahead and bleed the brakes, and we're going to start with the furthest rear caliper from your master cylinder. So, Addy, step down up there, and we're going to crack this bleeder. And you see how much air is coming out of there? So we're going to do it a couple times on this until we get a nice flow going through this. Okay, and lift up, Addy, and pump it. Okay, hold it down. Still some air coming out of there. So you want to do this until you get a nice clean flow, and we're going to do that on all of the calipers. Okay, lift up and pump it. Okay, and hold down. Okay. Now we're onto the front here, and we're going to bleed the front calipers, and you need a 10mm wrench for these ones. And hold it down, Addy. We're getting good flow out of this one now, so we will move on to the next side. Alright, we're on the last caliper here now. We should have air out of the rest of them, so just this last one to do here. Step down, Addy. And down. And that should be good. Up. And pump it, and what does it feel like? And that's it.